just like a light bulb. Right? The same way you pick up one of your new friends. Right? Don't be afraid of it. Right? So, do it like this. Do it like this. 1, 4. See? Do it like this. Oh, don't be afraid of it. Right? See? Don't be afraid of it. See? Don't be afraid of it.
What's afraid of you?
Don't afraid of you. Don't afraid of you. You better than later. Right? Very good. Yeah, good. Put the card in first. Very good. Is that pro? Very good.
Take the card from one.
Yeah, good.
Check out the card.
You put the card in front at all time. And the card will go in here. Very good. Very good. Let's take this off it. Go ahead.
That timer. Straight.
Very good. Very good. So you can make your own computer. You can go to the store and buy your frame, right? And buy your components and fix the computer up. Right? Make your own computer, your customer's computer. Right? So you can afford one. The big money one time, you can buy parts of the value credit.
Is it cheaper out here?
Right? Best. Right?
Alright, sir. Let's try.
Excuse.
Okay. You know what, sir? We can't see it.
Very good. Let's try. Look, that's good. You see it? Once you place it on the correctly, it will go in. See, the place correctly and it will go in. Very good. Continue. Doing very good. Very good. Apply the pressure. Good. Very good.
Is anyone home?
No.
Sorry, I couldn't go first.
So you take back to
Don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid. Just do it. Right? Computer said, know about it and how you think. Right? Use it every day. Don't be afraid of it. Very good. So then one right on going and rotating. Very good. Remember to apply pressure to the power supply. Yes. Good.
I'm for both to write that stuff.
Very good. Very good.
That's a more from one.
Sorry, it didn't very good. Let's fix the back right here first.
That's good.
Fix the back. Fix the back right here.
That's what I'm going to sing to you. So, the top man, I don't know if you